Hi everyone, welcome to English Yes channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a short vowel sound A, as in the word pet. You can also hear the sound in the words fat, let, met. This sound is represented by this symbol. Let's find out how to make the sound. To pronounce the S sound, you should focus the right position of your lips and your tongue. Open your mouth slightly. Your lips are in a relaxed smile, and your tongue is in the middle of your mouth, closer to the front. Now let's try to say A. Listen and repeat after me. A. A. Now let's practice this sound with some words. Man, cat, pack, net, mat, set, pen, leg, hen, yes, right, pat, tell, hell, tell, fell, sell, well, wet, tan, wet, yet. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.